is about to be a mess. Oh! What's up? Welcome to Michael's Opinion, where I give my opinion and you leave yours below in the comments. So I just want to do a little like mini Amazon haul because I ordered, oh, this lighting is not the best. I ordered a few things for my apartment. I just moved, as you can see.
Well, we're moving on now.
But I ordered a few things from my apartment. And we're just gonna open them and see how they do. Does this work? It's a little weird, but I guess it'll do. Okay, let's see. Got my little Amazon bag. So the first thing I got was this shower head. This lighting is bad. Hold on, let me. There we go. Okay, so I got this shower head from Aquadance. I'll be sure to put everything linked down below in the description box. But I need a shower head with a hose because it's really hard to wash your hair, like when you don't have, you know, like a shower head to do that with. Let's see. Ooh, okay. Oh, this looks fancy. Okay. I probably should be doing this in the bathroom. Whatever. Okay. So I guess this is the main shower head. Look real shiny. This is the main shower head. I can see myself in here. Whoa! Okay, so we got the main shower head. What else? This is the handheld piece. So I can, you know, get all in here. But yeah, it looks nice. That, and then here's the hose that it comes with. I guess these are all the attachments and what's not. And looks like some plumber's tape. And what else? Some instructions. I wonder, do I need pliers? What? Do I need a screwdriver? Okay, this is a lot going on. We might have to hold off on putting this on tonight. These are shower heads, so this one's gonna sit like on the thing, and then this will be next to it. But they look pretty nice. So we'll just put that in there because I don't know if I'm ready to handle all that tonight. Okay. I wasn't gonna put the shower head up, but I actually was able to go upstairs, and my little friend upstairs gave me a wrench because I didn't have a wrench, so there's no way for me to like get the like unscrew the thing. I haven't used one of these in a while, so.
Oh my god.
It's the Aquadance. Oh, I guess it doesn't have a model name. I'll link it down below so you guys can check it out. The shower head that I have is from this shower head. It just, you can't put it down. That's the only problem. But it's nice, it's decent. It's from Moen, I believe, is the brand. Delta. It's a nice shower head. Like, I wouldn't change it except for the fact that I don't have a hose. And when I wash my hair, I need to be able to like take this thing down and, you know, get deep in there. You know what I'm saying? Ooh. Okay. Okay, so I got the shower head off. This is why, I don't know if you guys can see like the lime scale that's built up on here. This is why I need to get a shower filter, because if you don't know, like if you have hard water, it has a lot of lime scale built up in it, and it can irritate your skin, your hair. Or if you check out my other videos, I don't know, you should be able to see like, it's like the little pod thing and then the shower head in the middle. this is the shower head. If y'all can see, I hope y'all can actually see what's happening. So that's a regular shower setting. Oh, don't fall off the counter. All right, so the next thing I got is this light. So what this is a motion activated toilet light. So I don't know if y'all can really see. Anyway, so like what it does is it sits like on the side of your toilet, and then when you walk in the bathroom at night and you don't want to turn the light on, this thing lights up like your toilet bowl. It's a little extra, but whatever. Let's see, toilet. Oh, it's called the toilet night light. This is how it looks. Okay, so it's battery powered. Wait, are they included? Man, this don't. Are you serious? It doesn't include the batteries. I'm about to take some batteries from my remote. I could do that. I have batteries. I have batteries. Hold on. Ugh. I know I have batteries. Cha-ching! Your boy got the batteries. Okay. Then this thing takes 3 batteries. Okay. Do I have? And we got 3 batteries. Okay. So I'll put this battery in here. Put the little backing on. Is this waterproof? I hope it's waterproof. Oh, well, I guess this part might be waterproof, and then I don't know. So put the back on, and then, oh, and it lights up. So there's like there's like this little button right here that you can push. The default unit comes in carousel mode, meaning it will cycle through all 16 colors, 1 color every 8 seconds. To fix a color, hold down the button until it blinks blue. Click the button to select desired color. There's a lot of directions for some daggone toilet lights. I'm gonna just leave it how it is. Fits any toilet. Internal memory. The unit will store your settings unless batteries are removed. Okay. Oh, so it's like a little intelligent little toilet light. Let's go put it in the bathroom. So I'm gonna put it in here in the bathroom. I'm gonna just put y'all right there real quick while I position this. My toilet bowl. Who you know got a toilet bowl that lights up? I'll wait.
Mad or no?
Kiss my ass.
So this is what I'm like super excited about. I got some lights. So if y'all, I don't know if y'all can see, but you can't really see. Hold on. So like up there, those cabinets on the top, I want to put these lights up there so I can, you know, make it like a club in here and whatnot. So I got the Govee Dreamcolor LED light strip. It looks like this. If it's focusing. So it's supposed to work. I believe this one, yeah, so it has an app that you can use on your phone. Social media, don't care. Disclaimer, don't care. User manual, don't care. Installation steps, sure, why not? So these are the lights. And it comes, I honestly thought this was gonna be a little bit longer, but hopefully it's long enough to go on my cabinet. It comes with a little, what is this? An alcohol prep pad, so that could be useful. This is the power adapter that it comes with. And these are just some screw holders. I don't know what you call them. Of course, these are like strips. Just a reminder, I'm gonna leave all of the links down below in the description. So if you guys wanna check out any of these products, go ahead and click that link. Please warm the tape with a hair dryer. Who wants to, all these, what? Okay, whatever. Oh, you know what I just thought about? I definitely don't have a ladder to get up on top of here, so I don't know how that's about to work. Dang, I can't really reach. How in the hell am I about to get up here? Oh! Oh. So basically, I want to put the lights, see like all this dark space up here? I want to put the lights up there. Alright, so I got the app downloaded and it's still on the music setting right now, so every time I speak the lights are kind of going crazy. But I downloaded the app. This is like the light strip and you can select which segments you want to be which color. Okay, so they have like different scenes. So this one's movie, there's a dating.
Are you ready to order?
And for the lady, perhaps a salad?
Perhaps not.
Ooh. And I'm not lying, it really says dating. I don't know if it'll focus. There you go. See, these are all the scenes it has. So I guess those are like preset colors. And I'm trying to hurry up because my SD card is running out of memory. But this one's romantic. Oh, the red lights. Okay. Twinkle. Oh no, I don't got time for that. Candlelight. So I guess it's supposed to give ambiance of like a flickering candle. There's energetic. This one's called breathe. This one's okay. It's not too like dramatic. This one's called snowflake. Ooh, I kind of like. I wish you guys could see like how the colors are in person. On camera it's showing like really blue, but in person it looks more white. It's more like a white light. This one's called crossing. Oh, who you know got lights on their cabinets? I'll wait. This one's called rainbow. That's pretty cool. It looks much better in person. You can also control the brightness. So this is the brightness is all the way up and I'm doing this all from my phone. So this is brightness. I'll turn the brightness down so I can turn it as low or as bright as I want. You can make your own lighting scheme. You can set a timer. Okay, so I'm gonna select a segment to be yellow. Okay, so it really does work. And then I'm gonna select the next segment to be blue. Oh wait, I don't want those to be blue. I want these to be yellow. Okay, and then I'll choose these to be white. That's pretty cool. So yeah, you can select, I've done it on my phone, so I've focus. I select white, yellow, red, and then blue. So that's what's showing up here. I'll be sure to link everything down below in my description box. I will, if you guys want me to do like a in-depth demo or like a review of the LED string lights, then I will do so. There's actually a lot that I didn't even realize that they could do, so I definitely want to order some more. Maybe like some to go around my TV. And installation was really easy. I think the hardest thing was just trying to get on top of the cabinets and then just trying to plan like the length, because like I said, I don't believe you can cut these strips. They do sell a strip that you can cut and customize the size, but this one I don't think you can cut it because of the different segments it has for separate lighting. So just keep that in mind. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.